Here we have what looks like the official unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G in almost every color variant. These clips are coming straight from TikTok, and surprisingly, the device is already available for purchase in Thailand. Just imagine scrolling through TikTok and suddenly spotting random unboxing videos of an unreleased phone. Just like the Galaxy S26 Ultra, both the A57 and A37 are now fully exposed. The S26 Ultra leaks came out of Dubai, while the Galaxy A57 leaks have been flooding in from Thailand. What's even more surprising is that both the Galaxy A57 and A37 have already appeared in retail stores ahead of launch. And the details are quite interesting. According to the latest reports, these devices were recently spotted at an authorized retailer in Thailand called Cam TV, where their pricing and specifications were clearly listed. The listing shows that the Galaxy A57, featuring 12 gigabytes RAM and 512 gigabytes storage, is priced at 20,999 Thai baht. However, there's also a promotional deal dropping the price to 17,999 Thai baht. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A37 with 8 gigabytes RAM and 256 gigabytes storage is listed at 13,999 Thai baht. Alongside the smartphones, the store also displayed official accessories, including protective cases, priced between 199 and 690 Thai baht. On top of that, another report has revealed a brand new AI feature for the Galaxy A57 called Transcript Assist. This feature can convert voice recordings and even phone calls into text, which could be super helpful for students, meetings, lectures, and interviews. As of now, Samsung hasn't officially announced the launch date for these devices, but the fact that they're already showing up in retail stores strongly hints that the official launch is just around the corner. So yeah, that's all for today. What do you think about the Galaxy A57 and A37 in terms of pricing and features? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.